Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with something new to my channel, and that is Temu. Now, if you're not familiar with Temu, it is a shopping website. It is massive. It has pretty much anything and everything that you can think of. They have flash deals, which means that you only have a certain amount of time to take advantage of those extra discounts that flash sales provide. So I went ahead and I bought 50 some dollars worth of stuff, but because it was my first time buying, I got 50% off. So this bag only cost me 25. It was like 30 something with tax and everything. So let's break into this and see what I got. So I did open it a little bit. I did have to peek because Temu did reach out to me and offered me a certain amount of products so that I could show them to you, and I will be spreading that video out in a 4-part series. But this is all one part, so let's break into this. I'm excited to break into that other bag too. Ugh. My goodness. Okay, so I went ahead and took everything out of the bag and I wrote the prices on them so it would be easier for me to tell you about them. So the first thing is this little pocket fan. And there's a little stand with it. It comes in pink, blue, and white. Now I chose a blue one. This retails for $3.05. Oh, cute. It is about the size of a small cell phone. And let's see. Now it charges. It doesn't have batteries. You charge it. Oh, that's nice. It has 2 speeds. It has 3 speeds. Ooh, I like that. And this is going to come in handy for the Oklahoma summers, you know what I'm saying? So I am glad I got that. Now there are a couple of other things in here. So we have your USB charging cord, and here is the stand. And so you can stand it up like this, or I think, no, why would that be like that? Okay. There's no other, I don't know why it has the notch. For a second I thought I could prop it, but I can't really. So I don't know what that is for. But there you go. Your own personal fan. It'll fit in a pocketbook, your back pocket, and I'm very happy to get this. The next thing is a blouse. I thought I would try and see what kind of quality we're dealing with as far as clothing. And this retails for $8.98. It is by Temu Kiss. Just for you, basically. And it's black with brown and like a peach color. I'm going to try this on real quick. So I just slipped it on right over my shirt. This is an extra large. It has a nice long bell sleeve for those arm conscious people like me. And the waist is cinched, but it's not super tight. So I'm happy about that. And let's see, it wraps over, but it is sewn right here. But you've got this going on, but there's actually quite a bit of fabric back there, so you really don't need to worry about that. I like it. I want to dress up my wardrobe. I mean, this is still, you can do business casual. You can even dress this up to formal with the right things. But I wanted to dress up my wardrobe so I don't just have all t-shirts. Now, looking at the stitching looks really good. I don't see threads hanging. We have enforced, I don't know, enforced seams, so that won't unravel. The hems are really nice and clean. Oh, and as I find a thread. Oh, but it's a loose thread. Okay. So yeah, this is 100% polyester. This will be a nice light blouse to have in my wardrobe. Now, the next thing retails for $6.19. It is these gray fuzzy slippers. I had a pair similar to these, but I wore them out because I wore them all the time. So this also has a fuzzy footbed, which may feel slippery at first until you get your imprint in there and mat that down, and then it won't unravel. But all right, let's see. So that is stitched down. There's stitches there, so that is stitched down. They're soft, they're pretty light, so let's try them on. But yeah, I really like these slippers. They're very comfortable. They keep your feet just warm enough. You can wear them outside if you like. That's what the bottoms look like. So yes, very happy with that purchase. The next purchase are a pair of summer sandals, and these retailed for $10.78. So this is what the shoe looks like. It has has hole patterns in there. If you can see it, we have a rubber bottom, and we have some enforcement stitching there, and it is a Velcro strap that goes around your heel. But I thought these would be great for summer. They do have a little bit of padding there. It can really dress up the simplest of outfits, and it pretty much, because it's black, it should match pretty most anything. But yeah, I bought these so that I could take them on a trip we're taking this summer, and that they would be light and comfortable. So let's go ahead and see what these look like on. So walking around with these are very light, very comfortable. I don't feel anything digging into my foot. There's plenty of room. So I am happy with this purchase as well. And they are a plastic, they're not leather. Can you find leather anymore these days? Anyway, so yeah, I thought those would be cute. The next thing is these little rings. I bought two of these. One is for, I bought each one for $1.48. And it just has some really small rhinestones. I basically bought it to go with this ring. So here is the other one, and you can see what that looks like with just one of them. Dresses it up really nice. And here is the second one. I really like how it holds the ring in place and dresses it up. Really, really like that. Now here is something that is out of my character. It's a wig. Now this wig is the 14-inch, they call it gray, but looking at it, it looks really blonde to me. So let's take that out. Did I say $10.09? $10.09. And it does have a net around it. So we're just going to pop this net off. And what you do when you get a new wig is you basically just shake it out. And it should, because of how they style it, it should stay the same. So let's go ahead and put this on and see what it looks like. So it has an open cap on it. So that'll be a little bit cooler. It doesn't have any clips, but it does have little adjustable straps that you can pull tighter if need be. And it does come with a wig cap, and it's a regular stocking cap. So what do I look like in this wig? Okay, now as you can see, the bangs are very, very long, but that is so easy to just trim where you want it, or have your stylist do it. Have your stylist cut it. So let's move these over to the side a little so I can see. There we go. So this is what I looked like when I was younger, basically. So that's what this looks like. I think it's pretty. What do you think? Wow. I bet I'm going to have some fun with this. I like it. So I'm going to go ahead and trim the bangs. I won't do it right now, but I probably will trim the bangs. Let's see if I can do it off to the side if I like. The very last thing in this order is a throw rug. It's a throw blanket. This is in the color blue. It's 59 by 78 inches. Normal throws are around 50 by 60 inches. So this will be longer for me. My feet won't hang out. So that's what this looks like. It is super soft and it's huge. Both sides are fuzzy. This is by the Love Home folks made this blanket, and woo, I love it. This is for our, it looks in person, it looks more greenish. It looks more turquoise to me, which is kind of why I picked it, and I like it. So we've got some nice sewing to keep the hem there so it doesn't unravel. But yes, so now my feet won't be hanging out on the couch. So I'm happy to get that. And I am so glad that you came by today. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.